Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update your iPhone 16 and sign into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or 5G and plug in if battery is low. Make sure location and microphone permissions are enabled so Apple Intelligence can use local signals. Next, open Settings and tap Intelligence or Apple Intelligence to start configuration. You'll see initial toggles. Enable the core features to allow on device processing, personalization, and search integration before moving to deeper settings. You now configure the feature set, toggle personalization on device models and Siri integration. Once enabled, select which apps Apple Intelligence can read, messages, mail, photos, notes, then narrow the privacy scope to limit access to specific folders or contacts. Next, pick model preferences, smaller for battery savings or larger for accuracy. Make sure to understand the performance versus battery trade-off. Finally, enable or disable Cloud Sync, depending on whether you want cross-device histories kept by. You finish by testing. Ask Siri a contextual question or request a summary to confirm integration. Once satisfied, review history and privacy settings to clear past learning or pause personalization if needed. Make sure to exclude apps you don't want analyzed. If you encounter lag, battery drain, or errors, toggle problematic features off, reboot the iPhone, then re-enable features one at a time to isolate the cause. If persistent, sign out of Apple ID, sign back in, and recheck permissions to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.